Students, hope you all are good. On the page number 31, we will start the topic order of operation. As you can see in this given example, there are two operations, subtraction and additions are given in one sentence. Here, Chunkle is thinking the number sentence has two different operations. Which operation should I do first? And here is the answer. When a number sentence has only the addition and subtraction operations, we work out the value from left to right. Now here, as you can see, if we start from left, first operation between two numbers is subtraction. We subtracted first two figures and got 24 in answer. Then added with the remaining number and the answer is 76. Hey, Bubbles is also telling us we can also use a calculator to find the answer. Press the keys according to how the numbers and operation signs appear in the number sentences. Let's try to solve this practice zone by these two hints. I will solve D part for you. Then you have to follow the pattern to solve part A to C. Answer keys will be given. Let's start. As we have two different operations in a same sentence, we will start from left. We will add these two numbers and the answer will be 596. You can check the answer by solving by yourself in rough. Other numbers will be as it is. Now we will again start solving from the left. We will add these two numbers and the answer will be 724. And now we will subtract the remaining number. Answer will be 269. As per instruction given in the question, use a calculator to check your answer. You can use a mobile calculator, a pocket calculator or any scientific calculator. Start checking an answer on this calculator. We will write the whole sentence at once. And the answer is same. The rest of the parts are for your practice. Try to solve part A, B and C manually and then check your answers on calculators. Do this CW on your book. Our next topic is estimating addition and subtraction. We have learned how to round off a number to the nearest 10, the nearest 100 and the nearest 1000 in previous chapter. On page number 34, practice zone is related to the topic rounding off the numbers, addition and subtraction. Question number 1 is match the following to their estimated sum or difference. First, we will add or subtract the numbers and then we will match to the nearest given numbers in column B. I will solve part A for you, then try by yourself for the rest of the questions. To add these two numbers in part A, start adding from left. 8 plus 3 will be 11. We will write 1 here and 1 will be regrouped. 1 plus 2 will be 3. 9 plus 1 10. We will write 0 here and 1 will be regrouped. The answer of these three numbers will be 8. 4 plus 1 5. Sum of these two numbers 58,000 and 31. Easily find the nearest number of 58,031, that is 58,000. So we will match A part to 58,000. Answer key will be given. You have to try last 3 parts by yourself and then match your answers with this answer key. Number 2 is estimate the sum or difference, round off the numbers to the nearest 10,000 before adding or subtracting. Let's start for part A first. We will done question number 2 and 3 on notebook. So you have to prepare your classwork pages. Write CW date and day, topic and page number. Question number 2 with full statement. Use your books. Part A, 78,980 plus 12,230. We will round off the nearest 10,000s. We will round off to the nearest 10,000 in rough work. We have to round off the number in 10,000s place. So we will look at the number on right side, which is 8, and we will always compare the number for rounding off with 5. As 8 is greater than 5, so we will move on to the nearest bigger next 10,000. So what is the bigger nearest 10,000? That is 810, and other numbers will be zeros. Now we will round off this second number to the nearest 10,000. Here 1 in the 10,000s place. We will look at the 2. 2 is less than 5. So what is the nearest 10,000s to the 12? That is 10. And the other numbers will be zeros. So after rounding off to nearest 10,000, we got 80,000 plus 10,000. The answer is very easy, 90,000. Students, you have to try these 4 parts by yourself and then match your solutions with this given answer key. Question number 3. Look at the numbers 79,860 and 12,340. A part is round off the numbers to the nearest 10,000 and find their difference. Students, you have to write the full statement and then write solution. Rounding off to the nearest 10,000. As you can see in the same pattern, to round off 7, we will look at the 9. As 9 is greater than 5, so we will go for the nearest bigger 10,000. What is the nearest 10,000 is bigger to 79? Yes, 80,000. As in 12,000, we had to round off 1, so we will look at 2. 2 is less than 5. So what is the nearest 10,000 to the 12? That is 10,000. We will find the difference by subtracting these two numbers and got 70,000. B part is round off the numbers to the nearest 1000 and find their difference. To rounding off to the nearest 1000, in first number we have to round off 9, so we will look at the 8, that is in hundreds place. 8 is greater than 5, so 79 will be converted into 80,000. In 12,000, we have to round off 2, so we will look at 3. 3 is less than 5, so we will write 12,000, and to find the difference between two numbers, we will subtract two numbers and we will got 68,000. Find their exact difference. It means no need to round off the numbers. Which answer above is a better estimation of the subtraction? will find the exact difference by subtracting these two numbers without rounding off. As you can see, I find the difference in rough work and the answer is 67,520. Now we will compare this answer with answer of A and B. First one is 70 and second one is 68. Which is nearest to the 67? Yes, the answer of B part is more better estimation of the difference. Students, only question number 2 and 3 of page number 34 will be done on notebooks. Other work will be done on your textbook. Good luck.